Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today I want to share with you a super yummy, healthy and easy to prepare recipe for dinner nights that is perfect for your toddler and for the rest of the family. So this is one of my favorite recipes, one family, one meal. We are going to prepare together coconut milk chicken curry with green beans and bell peppers. A super yummy and loaded with nutrients recipe. I really love the combo of spices that I used because they gave a super deep and particular flavor to the recipe. Also, I added veggies and I added green beans and bell peppers, but you can add any other veggie that you know your kids will love. First thing to do, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, all together with the garlic for 30 seconds, 1 minute. At this point, add the chicken that has been chopped in small pieces, bite-sized pieces, and season with a pinch of salt. Just a pinch, nothing more. Cook at medium heat up until the chicken is nicely golden brown on each side for 3-4 minutes. Add the green beans and the bell peppers, also the coconut milk with all the spices. And today I use half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander. If you do not have coconut milk, and for coconut milk, I'm not talking about the kind of liquid one that you use as a regular milk substitute. I'm talking about the creamy one, the one that is very creamy and thick. And if you do not have coconut cream at home, you can always use a plain Greek yogurt. So that kind of thickness, smooth thickness consistency is the one that you want for this recipe. Bring to boil and then reduce the heat and simmer for 20 minutes uncovered. Serve this recipe warm with a side of cooked brown rice or quinoa or any other cereal that you like. This is a fast recipe, it's ready in 30 minutes, and I love this recipe during crazy weeknights when I do not have a lot of time and I need everyone at the table eating in 30 minutes and nothing more. It's a lovely toddler idea. You can cut the chicken and the vegetables in small pieces following your toddler taste, and most of all, it's a super healthy one. I really hope your whole family is going to enjoy this recipe. If you want to leave me comments or if you're looking for similar recipes, simply check the box here below. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. Every single week you will receive a new recipe from me. See you next week. Ciao, ciao, ciao.